The JBL CSS8018 Ceiling Speakers are an excellent choice for high-quality audio in commercial settings, offering remarkable sound performance for both paging and background music. With their high sensitivity of 97 decibels, these speakers deliver impressive sound levels even at low-power settings, making them ideal for environments like retail stores and restaurants. These speakers stand out with their superior bass extension, providing a richer audio experience compared to other models in the same category. Equipped with a 10-watt multi-tap transformer, the CSS8018 ensures reliability and top-notch audio quality across different voltage lines. The design includes a 1-inch diameter voice coil with a Kapton coil former, promoting better power dissipation and long-term durability. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-attached grille and transformer, complemented by optional back cans for enhanced sound control and easy setup.